The information included in this course is both strategic and technical. That means that you will find general marketing advice alongside specific technical instructions. You will learn how to use YouTube as a marketing tool, as well as how to create, post, and manage YouTube videos. If you do this right, YouTube can become an important part of your marketing mix and drive a lot of traffic and sales for your company. So let's not waste our time. Let's get into it. In this course, you will learn how can you use YouTube to market your business, what kind of promotional videos should you produce, YouTube marketing strategy, what type of video content is best for your goals, tips for producing more effective YouTube videos, tips for generating sales, converting search traffic into suggested traffic, tracking performance of your videos, marketing your YouTube videos, strategy of 30, tips to get more YouTube views and subscribers, optimizing your YouTube videos for search, monetizing on your YouTube, YouTube partner program, and copyright rules.